Hi! In front of me is Google Pixel 7 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize theme of your keyboard on this device. You need to begin by accessing Settings and scrolling all the way down right away. Then click on System. Now you need to select Languages and Input, On-Screen Keyboard, and finally Gboard. Now click on Theme section over here, scroll down and choose Show More at the bottom right corners. When you're ready, you can tap on the best theme for you. I will go with this one. Manage key borders thanks to this sweater and tap on Apply. So when I go back, as you can see, theme of my keyboard has changed. But if you wish to try something else, you can always go into the same settings, swipe up, but this time tap on this plus icon under my themes. Now click on the photo that you wish to apply as your keyboard's background, pinch it to scale and drag it to move. Then tap on Next and adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Following that, click on Done and manage key borders thanks to this switcher. Then select Apply. If you wish to edit one of your keyboards, you can do that by clicking on the chosen one, tapping on this pen icon next to Bin 1, making your changes, and tapping on Apply one more time. So when I go back this time, as you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. If you wish to delete it, go into the same settings, click on it, tap on this bin icon here, and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!